upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of bed. Are you part of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when ready I will fly us out of it. Upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of bed.